Master the art of finding and enjoying coffee, high quality coffee beans. Hi there, coffee enthusiasts and newcomers alike. Welcome back to our channel. If you are craving the perfect cup of coffee, then you are in for a treat today. We will be diving deep into the world of coffee beans, revealing the hidden secrets that make your morning brutally exceptional. Before we get started, if you enjoy this content and want to support our journey, consider checking our out the link in the description to help us bringing you a more amazing coffee insights. Now let's embark on his romantic adventure. Alright, let's quick think of by dwelling into the two main types of coffee beans that shape your coffee experience: Arabic and Robusta. Arabic Arabica, known for exceptional quality, account for most of the world's coffee production. On the flip side, we have Robusta beans, often found in blends, which are more bitter and twist the caffeine punch. For those seeking premium coffee, keep an eye out for 100% Arabica beans. They are your golden ticket to remarkable cup. Now, picture the Victorian coffee bean belt stretching across more than 50 countries between the tropics of Capricorn and Cancer. Each region gives its own unique flavor to coffee lovers. So, if you are up for an adventure in taste, explore beans from countries beyond the like Brazil, Vietnam, and Colombia, the heavyweight coffee producers. Do you know that Brazil alone exported near 6 billion pounds of coffee last year? That is mind blowing. But the journey does not end there. It is as crucial to consider where and when your coffee beans are roasted. Most exported coffee ships out green, preserving freshness until it's roasted, because as soon as those beans meet the roasters, they begin to lose their validity due to oxygen exposure. To ensure minimal time between roast and brew, hunt for local roasters or those who prioritize safety shipping. Let's talk about finding high quality coffee bags. The freshest flavor hanging on how recently the beans were roasted. Hunt for bags tempered with a roast date, ideal with the past 1 to 2 weeks, and will while pre-ground coffee might be convention, remember that ground beans lose flavor rapidly. For the peak of flavor, option for whole beans and grind them just before brewing. No grinder, don't worry, we have got you covered. Have have you ever spotted those little holes on the side of coffee bags? Those are one way valves, allowing carbon dioxide to escape while keeping oxygen out. Look for vacuum sealed bags with these valves for added freshness. And speaking of freshness, ethics source coffee matters too. Keep an eye out for the organic and fair trade seals. Organic ensures the coffee is ground without chemicals, while fair trade guarantees ethical treatment of coffee growers. And that a wrap on our coffee journey, dear viewers. If you found this information as stimulating as that first sip of morning brew, do not forget to hit like button and share your thoughts in the comment below. Your engagement fuels our passion for bringing you top notch content. If you enjoy this video, be sure to like it on the promote search page we know to keep the magic going. Until next time, keep exploring the world of coffee one sip at a time. Remember, if you like to show some love and support, check out the link in the description. Your university allows to keep serving these delicious tidbit of knowledge. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay caffeinated. Bye bye.